Alright, remember this Civic? This is the one with the drivability issues because of the AC system not working properly. And I got the system all recovered, fixed, and recharged. Just got it recharged with my my AC machine there. Yes, I am certified. Yes, I do have the proper equipment. Replaced the condenser, the compressor, the receiver dryer, if I could say it properly, and the expansion valve in there. Kind of a pain on these because Hondas, they like to put them inside with the evap. So let's fire it up, see if she works. And there's a shot of the stuff I replaced. I also installed 2 brand new valve cores and 2 brand new Honda relays. One for the compressor clutch, one for the condenser fan. Well, the AC compressor's on. Certainly sounds a lot better. You can see we're getting down 46 to 47 degrees. Pretty good for this car. And before I changed everything out, this thing wouldn't get below about 65 degrees or so. Alright, and the final test with the AC on. See how she does. I was giving her the beans right there. Shift points feel pretty perfect. AC's blowing ice cold. It's about 99 degrees today, and this thing it's really nice in here. Far cry from the last time I drove it, and I was dying. Alright, one more time. Test it out. Shifting perfectly. Car feels really good. I think we got a confirmed fix. Well, there you go. Hope you liked this follow-up video on this Honda Civic. And as always, if the video helped you out or you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.